This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now? Make sure your iPhone 11 Pro Max has at least 20% battery and the latest iOS installed. These prevent mid-repair failures. Next, remove any case and gently clean the true depth camera. Oil or dust fools the sensor. Then restart the phone. If Face ID was disabled after a crash, perform a force restart by pressing volume up, then volume down, then holding the side button. Once done, go to Settings to check Face ID status and continue with setup. Now proceed. Open Settings, go to Face ID and Passcode, and select Reset Face ID. This clears corrupted face data and often fixes disabled states. Re-enroll your face in bright, even lighting. Make 2 passes allowing full head movement and remove glasses or masks so the true depth system captures accurate depth data. If you see camera or sensor error messages, run diagnostics through the Apple Support app or Settings Diagnostics to log a hardware fault. These steps separate software resets from hardware issues. Finish by ensuring iOS is fully updated. If problems persist, back up and restore via Finder or iTunes to rule out software corruption. This often reinstates Face ID functionality. If Face ID remains disabled after a clean restore, it likely needs true depth module servicing. So schedule a repair with Apple or an authorized provider. One key troubleshooting tip: toggle Face ID off and on in Settings and reboot once more. This can clear intermittent glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.